In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix iPhone lag after updating to iOS 26 as well as future iOS updates. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, go ahead and navigate into your settings on your device and scroll down, and what you're looking for is the battery tab, just like so. If you don't see it on here, simply just go ahead and search for battery and open up that battery settings. And what you're going to want to do is scroll down on this page until you see the option for power mode. Select that on and make sure low power mode is toggled off. From here, back out of this section and go into the App Store and tap on your profile icon up in the top left. And if you scroll down a little bit on this page, what you're going to want to do is just select this update all option right here and begin updating all of your apps. Then go back out of the App Store and back into your settings, and then go back to the main tab. And what you're going to want to do is just scroll up and go onto your general settings and scroll down in this section until you see the option for background app refresh and open it up. And once again, go ahead and turn this off by selecting Wi-Fi and cellular data and just hitting off just like so. What you can also do in your settings is go back to this little general tab, scroll up a little bit and go into your iPhone storage and delete any large apps or enable offload unused apps just so that you can go ahead and clear up a little bit more space. And if you're still having issues, go back on your general again and go to this transfer reset iPhone section, hit reset and do reset all settings. This isn't going to erase your data, but it is going to reset those system settings, making your phone run a lot smoother after the iOS 26 update. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out and lets us know that you want more content, so we greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.